How to buy Robux with Google Play balance. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or buy Robux with your Google Play balance. So first is go ahead and access your Roblox application and make sure that you're logged in and make sure as well that you're currently using the latest version of Roblox. Now to purchase a Robux, all you have to do is you should be able to see three options at the top, which is going to be the magnifying glass, the Robux icon, and your notification icon. Tap on the Roblox icon, and then here you should be able to see the current balance of your Roblox points. So these are going to be the Roblox packages that you can purchase. Now to purchase one, all I have to do is to choose one from here and then scroll down, and then you will automatically be redirected into your payment method. Now just simply choose on the current payment method here, and in here just simply choose on Google Play. Once you've successfully changed your payment method into Google Play, and then choose on top one to buy. And that is how you pay or you buy Robux with Google Play balance.